Hello guys, so today we will be testing out this throat swab thing. Well anyways, we have used it before, but we're just going to show it. So it comes with like tubes that...
So your throat is itchy?
Yeah, my throat's kind of itchy. It hurt before, but now it's stopped. Though it still hurts just because I drink hot milk and it burned it. So
yeah, it did. It just responded today.
Okay, so we need from number 1, 4 drops.
4 drops.
1, 2,
3,
and 4.
You put in 5
and
actually.
then number 2.
And number 2 we need also 4 drops. This is number 2.
And number 1, you accidentally put in 5 drops.
1, 2, 3, 4. And then we close it. And then let's take a swab from your throat.
I really don't like this part. The first time I did it, I coughed in Dad's face and
Yeah, so okay, let's open your mouth because lure is very sensitive. So we touch your tonsils. Okay, and then
You cough.
we put it here for 1 minute. So we kind of estimate 1 minute. Maybe you can see on the phone. Okay, and we roll it. Meanwhile, we take this one. We open it.
is it paper?
Dip this. We first need to throw this. And we need to dip this for how many seconds? For 10 seconds.
Means one lifeline. Negative means closer to the blue one. And then positive means 2 lines. It's filling up a line.
So we need to see either this one, like the control line or test line. See that? So we need to see a line, at least one line of the control. Otherwise the test is not valid. Okay, I can see the first line. I can see the control line actually. And the test is valid. And this actually negative. Let me show you.
Yeah, so good.
So you don't have strep infection. So this line here, you see it?
I don't think. Oh wait, no, it is visible in the camera.
Wait, can I see?
In real life, you
Yeah.
can barely see it.
Yeah.
Wait, that's the line?
Yeah. So it's negative test because we just have the control line without the test line. So it's negative.
Alright, let's
strep
go play
test.
disc thinking.
So
Okay.
that means there are no germs in my throat.
Yeah.
Well,
Chit chat. Now we can play
goodbye.
disc thinking. Bye, subscribe.